Okay, children, now I'm going to teach you our own traditional art, Andhra Pradesh traditional art, Kalamkari. Though I know that is a very difficult process, we have to take a cotton cloth, dip in a water and gum mixture for 24 hours. After that, one day we have to dry. Then we have to use the coal piece for making drawing. Then we have to use natural colors for coloring purpose. Even brush also we are making with a bamboo stick and cotton, and we have to do it. After completing the painting, we have to then again boil in a hot water, and then we have to keep it for dry. This whole process will take 15 to 20 days time. Then we will get the original kalankari painting. So already I have shown in previous video that how kalankari artwork is going on in workplace. So now same kalankari artwork we will not go through that much difficult process. For understanding purpose, I will teach you how to make it simply, how they are doing the design pattern, what is the design pattern, how they are filling the colors. So same process we will do in canvas painting with acrylic color, so that we can easily understand our cultural art, our art heritage. Okay children, let's go for our working place. I will show you how to do it. For this we will use one canvas cloth. You can take A4 size canvas cloth which is available in the market, or you can use a board, canvas board also, and you can use acrylic colors which is also available in a market. So these two colors only we required. So let's start the work. Okay children, now we are going to understand the kalamkari technique. For that, generally they are using cotton cloth and they are preparing the surface. They are dipping the cloth in a milk, and after that, after 24 hours complete dry, they are going to start the painting. So we cannot do that one now, so we are taking ready-made canvas which is available in different sizes. So I am taking here one A4 size canvas, stretch canvas. This canvas will be with the frame. So this will be around 200 rupees or 180 to 200 rupees cost will be there. But for making project, you can take only canvas cloth, like this canvas cloth, which will be available in 50 rupees. So you have to use that cloth, which is better. I am using this board, canvas board, but you have to use the canvas cloth. So first ready the canvas cloth, take the canvas cloth, then you have to choose the design and you have to draw pencil drawing first. So here I am going to make a design. You see that how to do it. So this is the canvas cloth. So I am first leaving the space for border. For kalamkari art, border design, decorative parts are more important. So you have to leave it the space equally, all the four sides. Yes, so this is the border. Now here you have to draw the main design. So I am making a Hansa playing major part role in a kalamkari art. But in original kalamkari art, they are using coal leads. So instead of that, here you have to use the pencil, dark pencil. So first you have to draw the shape. Like this Hansa shape. Here you have to draw the eyes. You have to draw beak. And this one also You have to draw in a decorative form. You have to draw in a decorative form. See. You have to draw lightly first shape, find out the shape. Then inside you have to create the design. This design is available in market. You can even trace the design. For this type of paintings we need a patience. If you have patience, slowly you can create a beautiful pattern, beautiful designs. So this is the design part. And in design, here you have to border, you have to draw the shapes like this. And more decoration work you have to do it. Okay, so this is the design, rough design I prepared. You also have to prepare like this designs. You can see the design part. If you are unable to create a design, you can even trace the design. Now I am going to start the coloring. Now for coloring, especially we require, generally they are using natural colors, and even brush also they are using natural tools. But here I am using acrylic colors, so you also have to use the acrylic colors. So these are the acrylic colors which you have to use, or it's available in a tubes form also. You can use it. These are the permanent colors, so we can use here. So I am using here acrylic colors. I prepared my color. Now I am going to start the coloring. So first we have to color the base color. So in this surface, base color will be yellow. For design, main base color will be the yellow. So I am using golden yellow or yellow ochre, you can say. See, this is the base color. It's looking like gold. So you have to apply first base color. So that you can see the colors, design. You will apply lightly, so you can see the designs. When you will overlap the color, you can see the pencil drawing. You can see after applying the color, you can see the design also. So like this you have to apply, and same color you have to apply for background border. So this border also you have to color. You can see now I have applied coating base color. So you also have to apply the base color like this. When this part will oval and design will dry, this color will dry, then you have to use a brown color, and with the brown color you have to make a design with the details. Okay, now I'm going to apply base color backside background also. So for that I'm choosing color green and cobalt blue, and downside I am going to prepare little purple color. This time in blue color you have to mix little white, so that color will get little bit lightly like a peacock color. You have to apply from one side. have to cover the background. Now our main part is over. After this we will apply the black and white. Two colors we will apply. Now all the creative work you have to do it with the pen, or in the place of pen you can use black color also, no problem. Now after this you have to apply white color. Kalamkari model artwork. You can practice like this. Do it the painting in canvas cloth. Use acrylic colors. Neatly put a border, put color. You can make it more decorative, no problem. Minimum this level work you have to do it and submit in class. Okay children, all the best. Do it well.